won't be hard. Aiden's financial adventures, bank your dreams and reach the stars.
Wow, I almost didn't recognize this place. I remember spending countless summer afternoons here. It's sad to see it like this. We'd play for hours out here. Feels like the memories are still bouncing around.
It's time to give this place the glow-up it deserves. We just need a solid plan, starting with saving.
You're right. A little saving goes a long way. Let's bring this place back to life. Dad, we want to help bring the community center back to life. How can saving really make that happen?
Saving is about setting aside a little now to have something bigger later. Think of it as planting seeds for future dreams.
But what if saving feels too slow? How can we see progress when we're just putting away a little at a time?
Great question, Nova. Think of saving like building blocks. You add a little at a time, and before you know it, you have something strong and lasting. Small steps can make big things happen.
Like a superpower for future goals, right?
Exactly. And everyone can contribute, whether it's spare change or a portion of your allowance.
All right, let's start building our future. One saved coin at a time. Period.
I have an idea. Let's organize a fundraiser where we showcase a talent show and have a bake sale to raise money and save the community center. See? Even small savings add up. You just need patience and focus. We finally did it! We raised the money needed to restore the community center.
And for the grand finale, our collective savings invested back into a brighter community center.
Thanks to everyone here, we did it! Our saving superpower transformed dreams into reality.
Yes, a big thank you to the community. So what's our next big savings mission? Prosperity Springs.
Savings isn't just about money. It's about believing in what we can achieve together.
Exactly. Investing in each other and our community is the smartest save, period.
If you liked what you saw and want more, tune in next week and tell all your friends about Aiden's financial adventures.